Hello. So this video will be on continuous deployment. So we are going to create Jenkins pipeline build trigger. So we just want to create a trigger such that once there is a change in the in the in the Docker file or the website source code, right? And once there's a change in the website source code and we click on commit change in GitHub, is going to just automatically Jenkins will automatically just you know capture that update and then automatically build another Docker image and just deploy it. So currently you can see that the website is just black and white, right? So now let's get into it. So I'm going to come to my Jenkins. I'm going to come to my Jenkins platform, and then I'll come to configure, and down here, oh, it's already selected, right? So this is the GitHub hook. So I'll click on it, then I'll just click on apply and save. Okay, then I'll come to my GitHub account, right? I'll come to my GitHub account, then I'll come to, you click on the particular repository that contains the Docker file and the Jenkins file. So if you look at this repository now, it contains the Docker file, the Jenkins file, right? So then I'll click on settings, and I'll click on webhook. So this one is already there. Let me just delete it. I'll delete this one, and I'm going to create this add webhook, and then and this is like the URL for Jenkins, right? Jenkins is running on this EC2 instance. So I'm going to copy this and I'll paste it here. So it's already pasted there, but I'm just going to paste it. Control V, then I'll put GitHub web / okay. Then I'm going to click on add webhook. Okay, add webhook. So then I'll click on this, I'll click on that, and then I'll click on recent deliveries. Okay, so you see ping, that shows you that it's connected. So now let's come back to, let's make a little change, right? Let's make a little change in our Docker file. So currently, if you look at this website, it's just just black and white. So let's make a little change here. So I'm going to remove this. So let me do edit a file. Edit a file. Okay, so that we have color. So then I'm going to click on commit changes. Commit changes. Commit changes. Okay. So I've clicked on this now, commit changes. So now let's go back to Jenkins. Okay, now you see that, so let's see. This, so is it that fast? I don't think so. Okay, so now it's building. Yeah, it's like, okay, what's going on? So it says failed. Let's see, why is it failed? So we say the container is already in use. This container is already in use. So let me check what's going on. So let me do Docker yes. Oh, okay. So I'm going to remove that. I'm going to remove this. So that's the container right there. right? So I'm going to remove it. Docker stop. Let me stop that container first. Web app underscore CCR. So stop it. And then once I stop it, so I'm waiting. So stop. And I'll do Docker PS. Okay. Then Docker image to see if there's any other. Okay, there are some images there. So let me Docker system dash A dash F dash volumes to clean up everything. So deleting the email. So, okay, let me play. Okay. So now I'm going to come back to my Jenkins script. And then let me reload. So since I've done this now, and okay. So let me just make a little change. I don't want to click on build now. I want it to automatically build. That's the goal of this. So when I do, um, okay, next one is either remove or rename container is already in use. So let me go back. Let me do this. Well, I don't get a difference. And this will have color. Is running on ports 8,000. Okay. So Jenkins. Okay, it's building now. It's building. And let's see. So once I made that change, right? I just made that change. It just automatically. So now the build is successful. Okay. Let's see. So the build is successful. Okay. So we can access the website on port 8,000. So let's see. It is on port 8,000. Let me reload. Okay, yeah, that's it. So you see that? So once I just reload, so the goal of this is I did not want, since normally I should click on so if I come here now, if I want a build, I should click on this build now. But immediately I effected that change here, right? It just automatically by itself, because I already configured the Jenkins and GitHub to interact, right? So it just automatically by itself just build, right? So just build. This is actually a cool video because we had to troubleshoot and, figure it out. Yeah, but that's it. That's it. So now it has this color, right? Automatic, like, it just, all we just have to do is just to reload, right? We just reload and then we just, so that. So great.